Hey guys, back with another video here today, and I have got something special. It's been a really long time since I've done a video, and I know you've missed me so much, but it's another unboxing video. My other unboxing video is probably my most famous one. Well, not famous, but it's my most viewed one on the channel, and we've got this, a Nintendo Switch. What? It's really a Nintendo Switch, you're asking? I have never seen an unboxing of one of these before. And I agree that you definitely have not. And I am the only one to do so. So, here we go. We've got this, a blue Joy-Con, a red Joy-Con, and then we've got this. It's just not easy doing it with one hand, I'm not going to lie, my friends. Okay, you can see it, you can see it. And then we've got this, an HDMI cable. Then we got this, a charger. And then we got this. It's very important. Read all of this. Then we got that. And then we got this. Oh my god. So I'm crazy. Oh Jesus. We got this. And we've got this. And then this. And there you go. The unboxing is almost done. You can continue to walk for the rest of the day. And then this, the meat and cheese of the operation. There you go. The quickest and the only review of the Nintendo Switch you will ever see in your lives. Okay, have a good one, guys, and thank you for watching the video.